Pretty sure I'm Italian. Today I'm going to make spaghetti alla Chitarra. For this, I have a flour egg dough. I used all-purpose flour and semolina dough. It would work with just all-purpose flour and egg. I just prefer having semolina in it when I do this. Chop off a piece. And then roll it. Run it through the roller. For this one, I am going to keep it rather thick. I'm going to do it to a 6 on this. And the reason for that is when I roll out the spaghetti portion, a 6 is about the width, so I get square noodles and not flat ones. So, 6. I'm going to put it on the Chitarra, which is just Italian for guitar. Run there. Sprinkle it with some flour so it doesn't stick to anything. Generously. A rolling pin, and then just basically roll it through the wires. Play the guitar to knock it free. Then it's ready to wrap up and do a nice little spiral and do the rest. And it's kind of like spaghetti, long and skinny, but the noodles are round. Round noodles, they're square, not round. The noodles are square, not round. So spaghetti alla Chitarra.